Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use glitching AI for dropshipping. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how you can import your products to your Shopify store using this powerful AI tool. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to leverage glitching AI to jumpstart your dropshipping business on Shopify. Tools such as glitching AI are revolutionizing the dropshipping business. These platforms can significantly reduce the time and effort needed to find winning products. They also help you create compelling store designs and even generate marketing materials. And this allows you as an entrepreneur to focus on strategy and scale your business. So let's go ahead and set up our glitching AI account. For that, you want to go to the glitching AI website and then sign up for a new account or login if you already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, you will see several options in the left sidebar. We've got glitch mode, AI product finder, product pages, courses, ads, and access to their private Discord community. Each one of these features plays a crucial role in your dropshipping journey. And in this video, we're going to focus primarily on glitch mode and process of importing your product to Shopify. So the most comprehensive feature is glitch mode, and when you click on it in the sidebar, you want to click start glitching, and from there we can actually find a product, create a store name, generate ads, and more. This process might take a few minutes, so definitely be patient, but then the AI will decide on a potentially profitable product for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at the product that it found for us. So as you can see, this product right here is the one that the AI found for us. We can click view details to see more information about it. You will see the sales price, cost, and potential profit. Links to the Amazon product, AliExpress, and other suppliers are provided as well. So take some time to review this information. The profit margin in particular is crucial for your business's success. Keep in mind that you will need to factor in some advertising costs and other expenses when considering the viability of a product. In addition to that, we've got the store builder feature. As glitching AI will generate a store design based on your product. You can customize brand colors, fonts, themes, store name, everything. I highly recommend starting out with this if you have no experience, and then as you gain more experience, you can change things more and more. So the AI generated design is a huge time saver, but don't be afraid to make any adjustments down the line. Your store's aesthetic can be a big role in building trust with potential customers. Additionally, glitching AI helps you with marketing. It displays ads similar to your product. It can also help you generate ad creatives for platforms such as TikTok and Facebook, and provides ad scripts to use in your own marketing. Again, these AI generated ads and scripts can serve as an excellent starting point. However, it's always a good idea to personalize and test different variations to see what resonates best with your audience. So as you can see, the platform does not stop at product selection and store design. It provides a marketing plan detailing who to sell to, how to sell, and where to advertise. An execution plan is also provided, giving you step-by-step instructions to start your dropshipping journey. These plans are invaluable, especially for newcomers to dropshipping. They offer a roadmap to follow, and this reduces the overwhelming feeling that often comes with starting a new business. So let's go ahead and connect glitching AI to Shopify and import our product. First of all, you will need a Shopify account, so go to shopify.com and then create an account if you haven't already. You can use the link in our description box down below. You will get a 3-day free trial, and then after that you will pay $1 on your first month, and this is an excellent opportunity to test the waters without any significant financial commitment. Next, in glitching AI, go to the store builder and click import product page. Click connect my store and then follow these simple instructions on how you can actually connect the two. From there, you can choose your Shopify theme. Glitching AI offers several options. Choose the one that best fits your product and target audience. After that, you want to click import. If you want to verify if the import process has been completed, go to your Shopify dashboard and then click on products. You should see your glitching AI product linked. Click on the product to view and then edit any details if needed. Take some time to review the imported product, check all the details including title, description, pricing, and images. And then after your product has been imported and the store is set up, it's time to focus on creating ads using glitching AI suggestions. Remember to test different ad variations to see what actually works best. By using glitching AI with Shopify, you have significantly streamlined the process of starting a dropshipping business. This powerful combination of AI-driven product selection and Shopify's robust e-commerce platforms give you a strong foundation for success. Remember, while AI tools like this can give you a great head start, success in dropshipping still requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. And that will be the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new or found today's video to be helpful, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.